This is a Acer laptop, and this Acer laptop model is N18Q13, and this Acer laptop problem is Hinge is broken, and today I'll repair these hinge. And you can see this, and this part is separate from this side, and you can see this broken hinge, and this one is the hinge. This hinge is broken, and today I will attach this hinge with this laptop. Okay, and you can see this broken hinge. Okay, let's open this laptop and let's check it how I fix this. Okay, after opening this laptop, disconnect the laptop battery, open the laptop display, and Wi-Fi antenna. And this is the broken side. Okay, today I'll fix this. And here is some broken pieces of plastic. Before attaching this, it need to be loose this screw. Okay, and this is very tight, and that's why it's broken. And you can see this, I cannot move it easily. Now this is okay. Now it is easily moving, and it has a strength to holding this display. Okay, and this is the perfect place. Epoxy gum, I just use the epoxy for holding this, and after mixing it, it will be become a white color. Okay viewers, I will keep this for 24 hours, and after that I will set up this. Okay, after 24 hours and our work is done, and you can see this, and this is perfect status. Okay, hopefully it will be work perfectly, and let's fitting this. Okay, our laptop setup is complete, and let's check this, what happened, how is working. And you can see this, and it is perfectly attached. Okay, no problem here. And right side also, both sides also perfectly attached. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.